Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Now, this is a single liqueur shot using peppermint schnapps. You're really going to have to enjoy peppermint schnapps to like this shot. But we're going to start off with our shot glass. Get that ready. And then we're using a well brand of peppermint schnapps, but I always like to recommend Ruppelmann's 100 proof. It's a little bit stronger, and I always like to recommend to always keep this stuff refrigerated. It tastes a lot better ice cold. So you're going to fill up your shot glass all the way with peppermint schnapps. 1.5 ounces is going to be your pour. From there, you're going to add in just a drop or two of half and half or cream. You be really careful with this because you don't want to overdo it. And it's going to float up just like that. Pretty gross looking if you ask me, but that's the idea of it. So there is your Embryo. I personally would serve this shot maybe as just kind of like a gag to a friend. I don't necessarily see this being requested by anybody, but regardless, like I said, if you like peppermint schnapps, not a bad shot. Enjoy.